Welcome to Essay Ease with Tech, where innovation meets income. If you're a mechanic, garage owner, or auto enthusiast looking to work smarter, not harder, you're about to discover a game changer. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of wasting hours diagnosing vehicles the old way? Losing clients because your tools can't keep up with modern cars, especially EVs? Or worse, missing out on high-paying jobs because your scanner simply isn't smart enough? Well, that ends today. This is the Autel MaxiSYS Ultra S2 AI scanner, the 2025 top intelligent diagnostic tool that's not just advanced, it's a money-making machine for anyone serious about the automotive business. This isn't just a scanner, it's like having a master technician in your hands 24/7. Imagine giving your customers instant answers instead of excuses. Imagine doubling your repair speed, building trust, and becoming the go-to expert in your town. And if you're into EVs, this thing is built for the future, with full EV testing and diagnostics that competitors still dream about. Here's how this turns into profits. Faster diagnostics equals more vehicles per day. Advanced features equals premium service charges. EV capabilities equals a whole new market of Tesla, Rivian, and hybrid owners. ECU programming, active tests, 48+ service functions. All mean you keep clients in-house instead of outsourcing. Think of it as a small investment that can easily pay for itself in a few weeks. Visuals of the scanner in use, interface, etc. Check out the features that set the Ultra S2 apart. 6-in-1 VCMI with oscilloscope, multimeter, signal generator, and more. Intelligent Topology 3.0, a visual map of vehicle systems that speeds up troubleshooting. AI diagnostics that think for you and suggest the fix. Motor Trust Speed Tech, super fast, no lag. Supports up to 64 gigabytes RAM, 256 gigabytes SSD, Android 10, lightning fast performance. Coverage for over 10,000 vehicles, including US, Asian, European, and EV brands. Let's say a client pulls in with a check engine light on their EV. You connect the Ultra S2. In under 2 minutes, you've scanned the entire system, identified the issue, run an active test, reprogram the ECU, and build for a full diagnostic plus programming service. Total time, 20 minutes. Total income, $150 to $300. Repeat that a few times a day and do the math. Compared to tools like the MS909, MS919, or even the original Ultra EV, this Elite 2 Pro version is the king. It's faster, smarter, built for AI-enhanced workflows, and it's your edge in a competitive world. Ready to stop guessing and start winning? Click the link below to grab your Autel MaxiSYS Ultra S2 AI scanner and take your diagnostics and your income to the next level.